Yesterday, was it? Maybe 2 days ago? No, yesterday. We were talking about black phones. Jet black, real black smartphones. Phantom black, dare I say. You got a black shirt on today, Will.
Yeah.
A black T-shirt.
Good times.
Oh, because the weather has been getting nicer, you started thinking about T-shirts.
I'm trying to reflect that.
Even though today it got cold again.
I know, yeah.
It's kind of funny how that works.
It's the reverse.
But yesterday was definitely, it was getting warmer, and I started thinking about the wardrobe as well. Started thinking about, what am I going to do here?
When do shorts come in?
I don't know. For me, because I'm always hot, like they probably come out pretty soon.
Yeah.
I actually just ordered a new pair of slides, Adidas slides.
Oh, okay.
And I'm actually wearing the Adidas hat to celebrate the fact that I did this thing.
Okay.
Because I had been wanting to order these for a really long time, but somehow I didn't.
Oh, you don't have these? I thought.
No. I have many of those that you're looking at there, but it's actually the one that I purchased is the Ultra Boost slide. So it's boost in the slide, which I'm not telling anybody to get this. It's I mean, unless you find it on sale, because it's kind of a ridiculous amount of money to pay for a slide. But check the boost in the slide. Now, I got the all black, but
right.
You got to boost in the slide.
Wow.
Now, one thing I will say, I did a little bit of research prior to ordering this. Like a lot of Boost products, it fits small. So I actually sized up to, I don't know if sized up, because in Ultra Boost, it's not even really a size up for me. Let's put it this way. I'm either 11 or 12. I got 12 in this to be safe.
Okay.
Which you might think in a slide, you're insane. Because you might think it's going to fall off, but it's a tighter fitting slide. So it should be okay. We're going to find out today. This is coming today. I don't know. I might hit you back on the next episode of this. I'll let you know how it goes. But $60 for a slide is a bit ridiculous. However, I was watching a couple of videos. I watched Seth Fowler on YouTube, and he was saying that he got his on a sale for $30. But you can see like that one is sold out on Adidas.com. So
they look nice.
People want these things. Anyway, what a sidetrack. Anyways, how did I even get there from a black phone? Oh, because of the weather and the wardrobe and your T-shirt. Yeah. It's your fault, not mine. Black phones. For whatever reason, it's the hot topic right now. Is because it actually turns out it's hard to do like a deep black color phone or consumer electronics product that doesn't end up looking like trash shortly after you purchased it. And the reason being is because it's showing all the micro scratches and things. And I had totally forgot that on the iPhone 7, they had a jet black model. And then they got out of it real quick. They're like, yep, jet black. And then they're like, nah, we're out.
Really?
You don't remember this, do you?
Was it matte?
It was short-lived. No, jet black right over there. You can see
this one.
Nope, that's the matte one. Go back up to the top. Right there, refurbished. iPhone 7 jet black 256 used 184.82. You see the jet black finish? It was glossy.
Oh.
I know. It's forgotten. Nobody talks about it. Everybody forgets this one. It was a jet black glossy finish that showed every tiny little scratch. Now, some people, they didn't care. They said, I want the jet black phone. Leave me alone. I'll deal with the scratches. It was kind of like, you remember those early iPods with the chrome finish?
Yeah.
It got so many scratches, but it also
looked so great right when you
peeled it off, when you pulled it out the package, it was a moment that you had. I mean, that's the thing about glossy anything. When you pull it out the package, it looks fantastic for about 5 seconds. Anyway, it was a discussion around the iPhone 7, jet black versus matte black. People were talking at that time. And but the jet black was the one that was getting a lot of attention from people like us. And it's crazy how long ago that feels right now. Anyway, it turns out that Apple is actively working and thinking about black, just like the other brands are, as you would imagine. And we had this post came out on Friday that Apple apparently prototyped a jet black iPhone 10. So that's a lot more recently than the iPhone 7. And I guess they decided to put it to bed. But it showcases the fact that they're still playing around with the idea and trying to figure out what the right finish might be. So this tweet came via Mr. White on Twitter, and the caption, they have tried iPhone 10 jet black before. And this is is it just a shell or is it a dummy phone? Hard to say exactly, but there's no logo on it. So it's either a prototype or a dummy that was mocked up, but you can see the difference between what was offered up as the darkest iPhone 10 at the time next to the jet black. I mean, it's a whole nother level to it.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty black.
There you go. Well, I know you're a big guy as far as the darkness of a paint as well.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. It's hard. It's hard to get black.
Yeah.
In fact, you were angry about the back wall just a moment ago. You're like, how black is that black? And I'm like, dude, it's as black as it gets. I mean, we got all kinds of comments actually on the show over here that's saying, and this is a little sidetrack, but they're saying, hey, on my OLED screen, Lou, the backdrop, unbelievable. It just drops right out. And then you want to know the other thing.
Energy savings.
Yeah, for anybody who's complaining about the show, the set, there's actually a technical aspect to it, which is that you are saving tremendous battery life. Now, if you have an OLED display, those pixels are turned off, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
When you're watching the long show.
Yeah.
Also, if you're watching in the evening, as you might be, maybe you got a partner next to you as you're trying to catch, right, they're trying to get some sleep. It's an early morning. But you got the phone on the lowest brightness. But if you have white in there, it's still too bright.
Yeah.
But we got the black backdrop for you. You see how we thought about this for you. We take care of you over here.
Yeah.
And see what happens.
We thought about you.
What happens with the T-shirt is the opposite, because every time you wash it, it gets more white.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Which is what you're experiencing right now.
Yeah, I'm having difficulties.
I experience it all the time. So it turns out what I'm trying to get at here, black is hard, but it's got a real punch to it when you nail it and you're able to achieve it and do it well. So hopefully Apple uses some of this prototyping and experience to figure out how to do their very own on the next version, so you get a true black option from the company.